So this is after the fact I got this challenge done, and if you're interested, you could stick around and see how I got here. So I was about to start another StudyCadCam, and this looked interesting enough to record. I thought that it looks pretty complicated here. There's a lot of curves. Like it almost looked like this propeller are curved, but I think they're perfectly straight. And the reason we see these curves are just simply because they are on the corners here of the circle. And if you look at one of the sides, like from this side, you could see that everything is square here. So these are all just perfectly flat surfaces here, except for this out here. So I think it'll be pretty simple, even though it looks complicated. Famous last word. So I'm gonna start a timer and see how long it takes us to do this. So I'm gonna press escape and let it go back into the regular. Okay, let's get started. So I'm just gonna make it flat on the table surface, and I'm gonna do the outside first, 200. C4 circle, 200. Oh, I forgot to turn on my Karnak. Let me see if I could turn it on now. No, not camera. Karnak. Close that. Karnak. Okay, so now if I should have shift, it's not working. Why is it not working? I'm losing time here, guys. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about that. I'll try to mention what keys I press. So there's the outside 200, and I'm not gonna do the inside because I'm going to do that last. So in case we, as we rotate, sometimes we have to deal with this curve. So I'm just gonna do everything flat first. So 200, and then this is 60, and how I okay, so that's 30. Let's see which one I want to do. Let's do this one. So I'm gonna do a line from here. We'll do the center too. So we'll do the center. We'll do another line, L for line, another L for line, and then we say this is 30. We said. Okay, so I'm gonna just make 15, 15. 15, not 5, 15. That one's also 15. Okay, so I got one of them like that. And then it is what, 10 tall? I'm gonna make E for extrude. Just 10. And since we want it, do I want to make it? Yeah, let's make it symmetrical. So we make it symmetrical. The total side will be 10, so it'll be 5 on each side. You can see like it's split in half there. So we got that. And then we need to rotate it 60 degrees. And I think that's about it. So I'm gonna select this object right there. M for move. We're gonna pick the rotation around this guy now. Can I move it there? Move the pivot to right here. We are not moving the pivot anymore. We're actually going to rotate it, I guess, clockwise. We're going to clockwise 60 degrees. Minus 60. That should look like a lot. Is it really that much? That looks like a lot. Is it 60 degrees? I'm going to try this 30. Okay, that looks better. Yeah, I'm not sure why it is only 30 because that's definitely more correct. Like this one here. Okay, now we got one of those. I'm going to go home again. Oh, we have to do symmetry revolve. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Let's try that. Put this. It is a body. It is going to be around. Oh, instead of here, did you know they can also select anything circular, and it will make that figure out where the center of the circle and rotate around that. And we said we want 6 of them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. I think that looks right. Oh wait a minute. Oh wait, geez. This one, I think I'm rotating the wrong direction. Let's go back over here and fix the direction. So instead of going that way, we need to go the other way. So we'll bring back to the point to here again. And we're gonna rotate it again. This time the other way around. This is how much do we want to rotate to get it back? Is it 60 then? I think so. So it's 30, 30. Oh, that looks a lot better, I think. Yeah. So they're going this way, and then if you build it, you can see that going that way. And here is the curves that we saw. This one doesn't have a. Let's play like that. Okay, that was a quote unquote hard part. So all we have to do is just put this little circle in the middle. So you can go back in here and redo this. And it is the 30 and 60. C, 30, C, 60. E for extrude. I want to go back to where I was before. Go back over here. And so we're going to do E for extrude. I'm going to extrude everything. And it is 20 total. We're going to do the same symmetric thing. And we want to do the join. That's okay. And then we have to cut the inside. We want to do the same thing. E for extrude. And hold this down, and eventually it'll let you go see through the thing. You don't want that face. You don't want that. You want this profile. And then you want to control, and add these little snippets of profile. And we want to do symmetric again. And this time we could say, I want to go to everything that there is to cut. And that should cut everything that's in the middle. And I think we're done. Yeah, that took what? 7 minutes with me jibber jabbering and making mistakes. Fusion is amazing.